All right, hello. We're back. We're back for the 8 o'clock court here, if you will. Let me turn on my camera. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing good. I see there's 17 on one account, 4 on the other one. Court should be starting up in the next moment or two. Hey, James, how are you today? I hope you had a blessed day today. And let me tell you a little bit about my day today, all right? Oh, there's something interesting going to happen today. Do you see this lights on right now? And looks like an attorney. A big case is going to be coming. I think. I don't know. I'm just assuming right here. But so we went today, me, my wife, and my daughter, we went to, hey, what up, Nana? We went to check out, we went to the sanctuary for animals. Biggest mistake of our life. We got there like about an hour and 30 minutes before they were going to close. Maybe Ashley would appear. I haven't even thought about Ashley in a bit. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you, Nana. So we went to this wildlife, is it sanctuary or something or the other like that. And man, it was hot. Hey, what up, Caitlin? It was hot than a mug. Man, we walked around a little bit, and man, we were like, man, we shouldn't have came out. It's just too early. We should have probably gone. We should have gone a little bit earlier in the day, not at 3 o'clock. Hey, what's up, Stephen Ray? Yo, James, you have to watch it yesterday, 2 p.m. at 2:13. There was a fight in the gallery. What? Yesterday? Okay, I'm gonna have to check it out. I'll check it out. Thank you, Stephen. I'll go ahead and check that out. Let me see. So yeah, we went to check that out. We went to check out, but there wasn't that many animals. I was a bit disappointed. There are a few rattlesnakes, a few lizards, a Gila monster, but that was it. And after that, we left and we went to grab something to eat. For those of you that like Peruvian food, I've never tried Peruvian food. Highly recommend it. The meal I would recommend if you ever go to Peruvian food, you're gonna want a lomo saltado. And what a lomo saltado is, it's strips of beef, French fries, and a bowl of rice. Ooh, man, that meat. Ooh. ¿Para qué les cuento? Best meal I had all week. We ate that, and then I was barely able to finish it, and then I came home because I had some phone calls. So here we are. You know, we did a 2-hour phone call with David, and it looks like court's about to start right now. Hey, haven't seen you in a while. What up, Harris? How's it going? Yeah, I really haven't been on that often. Let me see. Let me get the chat on the screen here. All right. Yeah. The Honorable. Who's on here today? I don't know.
Good evening. You may be seated.
You may be seated. Let me see, Perez.
Right.
Some guy reminds me of you at the store. We're at.
Hold on a second. We will get started.
Hello, Governor. Hey, I got some new hats. Oh man, I'm gonna throw them on. Whenever Teresa comes on, I gotta throw on my new hats. I got some hats from the UK.
Oh.
Seated? Are they just? I think they're sitting. I think they're seating.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Number 20.
Send me his name and where he's at.
All right. Good evening. My name is Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell.
What up, Roddy?
This is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for July 13th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for a court-appointed attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you.
Oh, you know what?
I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. At the conclusion of your matter, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will detail your release orders, and it will also have the dates, times, and locations of any future hearing. All right,
Hey.
we are going to start this morning, or I'm sorry, this evening with Catherine Thompson, please.
Hey, they have court here on the Lord's Day on Sunday. Yeah, that is right. Hey, Sierra.
Hi, Ms. Thompson, and we are having you back because I forgot to inform you of two charges, or I didn't have in front of me two of your charges that I needed to inform you of when I saw you at the 2 p.m. So you are back.
2 p.m.
I wanted to add the information. And which two charges are they? Okay.
Yeah, it just started. This is the first case right now. You haven't missed out on anything. You're here just on time. Hey, what up, Sierra? Oh, I don't think Arizona shows their charges on their website.
Do we have a description of what those are?
Whenever I looked up any cases, I've never been able to find them. Plus, I think you need like their full name and date of birth. They make it real hard to look any information up in Maricopa County for whatever reason. What's up, Rissa? That's right.
Okay. So you have two additional charges that are added. They are City of Phoenix charges. They are misdemeanors. They are failure to control speed and failure to.
Do you know what day he went to court?
Valid license. Nothing else changes with regard, and nothing changes with regard to your release orders. I am obligated to inform you of all of your charges, and I am informing you of those as well.
We're doing job interviews, Regina. We're hiring for Amazon, Walmart, Circle K, and possibly Dollar Tree. But I don't think they might be getting the job.
So with that information, you will get amended paperwork, which will reflect your two additional charges.
Damn, they made her come back from the 2 o'clock one just to tell her that. Hey, what up, Maui? Man,
Thank you.
They can't deliver packages. Our packages might be coming up missing in with FedEx, and FedEx be bringing all that good stuff, computer parts, computer rigs, cell phones. Hey, they be delivering phones for AT&T and Verizon. I don't want my phone coming up missing. I need that iPhone 17 showing up on my doorstep, and I don't mean just the box. I need like the phone intact and everything. Double agua. Hey, Steven. Hey, I haven't seen any messed up necks lately. What's up? Have you caught anything? I have this thing about shirts being stretched out. So, hey, keep your eyes out, Steven. I haven't seen anything anything too crazy lately.
All right. Aileen Maley, please, and then Anthony Valencia.
Man, the judge sounds like me when I'm reading. What's up with her?
And Mr. Valencia, go ahead and have a seat by the door. We're going to talk to Ms. Maley first, and we'll get to you.
What up, Gino's
All right,
dad?
Ms. Maley, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Elaine Ann Malley, 6174.
Thank you. And you are here today because you were arrested earlier today on charges of theft of a means of transportation. That's a Class 3 felony. I did find probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting 3 hearings in your case, the first on July 18th at 8:30, the next one on July 21st at 1:30 p.m., and the last one on July 22nd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Because you are on release in another felony matter, which is your matter CR 2025-112937, on the date of your new offense, I am holding you non-bondable on your new charges. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Damn, she ain't going nowhere.
Anthony Valencia, please.
Hey, what's up, Jazz? Hey, what up, Alley Cat? Hey, to be honest with you,
Mr. Valencia, Jonathan Montalvo, please.
I wouldn't be worried about her stealing my car.
Valencia, go ahead, state your name for the record.
What up, Maggie?
Valencia.
All right, and you were arrested yesterday on charges of unlawful discharge of a firearm in city limits, a Class 6 felony.
Damn.
I did find probable cause for that. For purposes of appointing you an attorney based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I am finding that you are not indigent. Therefore, I am not appointing you an attorney. You may, of course, retain one at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on July 18th at 8:30 and July 22nd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Looks like an Edgar.
I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $25,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime, and you may not possess any weapons. Go ahead, step to left. Officer
Hey,
will have your paperwork.
but you can't be
over
judging a book by its cover, because look,
Jonathan
he looks
Montalvo,
normal.
please, and then Martin Montez.
Little do you know that he has that thing on him. You know he's ready to, and he'll let
Good evening,
loose.
sir. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jonathan Montalvo.
Gucci.
Mr.
kind of
Montalvo,
shirt is
what is
this?
your date of birth?
March 9th, 2001.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here today because you were arrested earlier today on charges of possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony, possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for those. For purposes of appointing you an attorney, based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I am finding that you are not indigent. Therefore, I am not appointing you an attorney. However, you may, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting 2 hearings in your matter, the first on July 18th at 8:30 and the next one on July 22nd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $15,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you need to go to your hearings or an arrest warrant may issue for you. Go ahead, step to left.
Hey.
Officer has your paperwork.
Hey, one shot. So you gotta
Martin
remember.
Montez, please.
I'm not sure if you ever committed crimes, but normally when you are committing crimes,
And then Michael Madsen.
you're normally not wearing your Sunday's best. If you catch my drift, you're not wearing a tie and a suit when you are committing, when you're slanging
yes,
dope
Montez, and then
or if
Madsen.
you're carjacking somebody. You're gonna wear something that you can be comfortable in. Some nice running shoes. Or shit, you might not even have shoes on. Because you might be running from the cops. So just to clarify, these individuals they just got arrested off of the street. They didn't show up to court today. They didn't have a court date today. They got arrested, and in Arizona, you have to show up to
What?
court.
I'm not sure if I had to call him.
Okay, go ahead, call him in. Is that Mr. Madsen by the door?
Hey, what up, Joe Billings?
All right, Mr. Madsen, please.
So in other words, these individuals just got caught. They just got caught today within the last 24 hours. So they're
All right,
not wearing
Mr.
their
Madsen,
best.
Go ahead, say your name for the record.
Michael Madsen,
And Mr. Madsen, what's your date of birth?
10-10-80.
Thank you. And Mr. Madsen, you are here today on 4 matters. We're going to go ahead
Howdy.
and talk about your new matter. First, you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, false reporting to law enforcement, a Class 1 misdemeanor, driving with a suspended or revoked license, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting 2 hearings in your case, the first on July 18th at 8:30 and the next one on July 22nd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your new matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. Now, you are also
Hey, what
here
up, Make
because
Money?
You are on probation in 3 cases. They are CR 2020-140824, CR 2021-007537,
Thank you, Grace. I'll let him know.
and CR 2020-140-830. In each of those cases, the Maricopa County Superior Court has issued warrants for your arrest on allegations that you violated your probation in those cases. I am appointing you an attorney in all 3 cases, and I am setting hearings on July 21st at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 2020 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $3,000. In your 21 case ending 7537, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In your 2020 case,
What up, Anthony? How's your dad?
ending 0830, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000.
What up,
In the
Kristen?
event you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to left. Officers will have your
Hey, this
paperwork for you.
guy's like a one-man crime spree right here,
Do we have
man.
Mr. Montez yet?
I think he's committed more crimes than me in my
Okay.
whole life.
That's, I have him right now. Look behind me.
All right, are we ready to go to Christian Lanza? Are you
Alex.
guys ready?
Alex, this is
Well, not you.
Maricopa
I'm
County
sorry.
in Arizona. Maricopa,
You can be
Arizona.
ready.
Oh, all right.
Do
You're-
you guys need a little bit more time, or?
No, we're good to go.
Okay.
Hey, what do you think this jock did? He looks like a jock. What do you guys think this
All right, I'm going to
individual
ask him to
did right
say
here?
his name and date of birth, and then I'll let you make your appearance. All right, Mr. Lanza, will you go ahead and state your name and date of birth for the record?
Christian Lanza, May 6, 1997.
Thank you. And Mr. Lanza, you are here today because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on a direct complaint matter. And that direct complaint alleges that on or about August 9th of 2023, you possessed or used narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony. On or about that same date, you possessed or used the second count of possession or use of narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony.
Let's extend the warrant.
And a third count of possession or use of narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony, and possession or use of dangerous drugs, a class 4 felony. Mr. Briggs?
Briggs, yes, Judge.
All right, would you like to make your appearance on behalf of Mr. Lanza?
Yes, Elliot Briggs, here for Christian Lanza, who's present in custody, Judge.
Okay. And Mr. Lanza, because this is a direct complaint matter, I don't find probable cause on these. So I am moving right to the attorney determination. I see that you are making your appearance for the initial appearance only. Is that correct?
We're going to be on for the whole case, Judge.
Okay. I am finding, well, for purposes, based upon the information he provided to pretrial service, I am finding that he is not indigent for purposes of appointing him an attorney. I am going to indicate that he does have an existing attorney, and that attorney is you. Or do you want it to be Grand Canyon Law Group?
Yeah, if you want to put Grand Canyon Law Group, but I'll be the one handling the case, Judge. So.
She types
And
angrily.
sometimes it slips me safe. Okay. All right.
That's kind of wild, getting picked up 2 years later for rugs. Talk about bad luck. And he looks pretty healthy, you know. Looking at him, I mean, he looks like a normal suburban dude, but obviously he has some issues. You know, if you put us on a lineup, who are you going to pick out? Me or him?
I'm setting Mr. Lanza 2 hearings, and Mr. Briggs, we will get you a courtesy copy of the order, so you will have that in writing as well. I'm setting 2 hearings in your case, the first on July 18th at 8:30, and the next one on July 22nd at 8:30 in the
Josh?
downtown
What up, Whiskey?
Maricopa County Superior Court. The direct complaint arrest warrant has a bond amount of $250 as a secured appearance bond. Do you want to be heard on that, Ms. Briggs?
Yeah, if we could, Judge. So all these cases, obviously, I don't have the exact date, but it happened quite a while ago. I know the CR numbers at least from a year ago.
The alleged offense date, if it helps, is August 9th of 2023.
So almost 2 years ago now.
2 years ago, yeah.
And so Mr. Lanza has changed his life quite a bit. His father is here out in the lobby to pick him up. And so back when all this was happening, obviously he was using drugs. His dad even showed me a picture out there, and he's about maybe like 150 pounds, and obviously he looks a lot different now. But what happened when they sent out the summons, Judge, is the address was actually wrong. And so the address that you guys have isn't the correct address. It should be 25209 North 51st Street Drive in Glendale. And so that's what happened with the summons. He never actually got it and then didn't show up. Obviously, he's hired an attorney. He's looking to take care of all these cases and move forward. And so if he could be released on his own recognizance, that's what we would ask for.
Okay.
I wish I could hire
If
a
I were
lawyer.
to consider,
Or I wish I had money to hire a lawyer. I should rephrase that. Bro, this is Arizona. Yeah, it is Maricopa County, if you will. And this is live. This is Sunday. This is the 8 p.m. court. Last court is going to be at 11 p.m., which will be in about a few hours. So this one just started up right now. We're a few cases in right now. Hey, what
Right.
up?
I do appreciate the fact that Mr. Alonso has retained an attorney and has had no contact with law enforcement since it's over a year at this point.
What up, Jenna?
Mr. Alonso, if I set hearings on July 28th at 8:30 and July 31st at 8:30, will you attend those hearings?
Yes.
Okay. And based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. I am updating our order to reflect that.
All right.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, one other thing, that he does, he is working out of state. Would he be able to go to do that, or should I just ask at the court date to modify that?
You can go ahead. I am releasing him on his own recognizance based upon his lack of criminal history and his
Okay, Heartless.
and the age of this arrest warrant. He does have a hearing in front of at the Superior Court on July 28th at 8:30. If he wants to be allowed to travel out of state, he can go ahead and ask at that point. But I'm
Okay.
going to require at this point that he remain in state.
All right, thank you, Judge. Is, do you know what judge that is that we're in front of?
I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Does he need a sign for anything?
So he does not need, he needs to get his paperwork. Did you get a courtesy copy, Mr. Briggs, so you
I got
have the
one,
dates? Okay. So it will take a few hours for him to process out. I think you've done this before, so
Yes.
so you just know it takes a little bit of time for them to do the processing on their end. Okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you, guys.
Yes.
So OR means that the court lets you
Do
out
we have Martin Montez yet?
without paying
All
a
right, let's go ahead
bond
and take Mr. Montez.
or without paying a bill. You're promising the court that you will show up on your own recognizance, if that makes any sense. So he's about to be released. If anyone wants to give him a ride, he should be out in the next few hours.
All right, Mr. Montez, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Excuse me?
Go ahead and state your name for the record.
Martin Montez,
Mr.
Go
Montez,
Cowboys.
what's your date of birth?
February 18th, 1968.
All right, thank you.
Now it's gonna probably be
All
like
right,
4 or
so
5
you
hours.
are here because the Maricopa County Superior, well, you're here on 4 matters, so we're going to talk about your failure to appear matter first. You are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter CR 2024-108726. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you were eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. I am setting a hearing on July 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
He is, Joe.
And I am setting a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $7,500. Now, you are also here because the surprise municipal court issued a warrant for your arrest in your matter stemming from a November 26, 2023 misdemeanor charge of driving with a suspended or revoked license. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney for representation regarding the bond issue only, and I am setting a bond a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. I am setting a hearing in the Surprise Municipal Court on July 22nd at 1:30 p.m. Now, you are also here because the Surprise Municipal Court issued a second arrest
It looks like he's about to throw
for you, and this is
The first one has
stemming from
7,000.
a
Shirt.
May 11th, 2024 charge of drug paraphernalia, possession of drug paraphernalia. That's a misdemeanor.
What up, Monica?
Again, I am
Was that drug paraphernalia?
possession of drug paraphernalia. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only because I am also setting a secured appearance bond in that matter in the amount of $50. I am setting a hearing in the Surprise Municipal Court on July 22nd at
Where'd you get those hearts from, Sue?
Finally, you are here because
What up, Violet?
the Surprise City Court issued a third arrest warrant
A third?
for you, and this one is it's a failure to appear warrant stemming from a July 1st, 2024 charge of failing to remain at the
Senior
scene of an
discount.
accident.
And your stickers. What?
And failing to give information at an accident with
Failing to what?
July 1st, 2024, failing to remain at the scene of an accident, misdemeanor charge, and failure to give information at the scene of an accident. Again, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. I am setting a hearing in the Surprise Municipal Court again on July 22nd at 1:30 p.m. If you will step to the left, officers will have that paperwork for you, and it will have all your dates. Okay?
So I'm not getting out today.
You're not, sir. No.
But I got business that I'm running. I got
Business?
a job I'm starting tomorrow.
What? A business and a job tomorrow?
And
then this is just brand new. I just barely started it. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I started doing a
Landscaping.
design on a house, and I don't want to lose that opportunity.
You want to lose
I
it?
understand that, sir, but you had an obligation to appear and you failed to do so, and now there's a bond on that. So go ahead, step to the left. Officers will have your paperwork for you.
Damn, mommy.
Eric,
This who said I got a business and I'm starting a new job tomorrow and I don't want to lose that opportunity. Come on, man. You got to come up with something a little bit more original than that. This was going to be hurt. He's going to be definitely hurting tonight. I wouldn't want to be sealed up with that guy. It's going to be all bad.
Name for the record.
Next.
Erica Sheddick,
And Ms. Sheddick, what is your date of birth?
November 9th, 2001.
Thank you. And you are here because you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony, and criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause for both of those. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting 2 hearings in your case. The first on July 18th at 8:30, and the next one on July 22nd at 8:30. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your case in the amount of $10,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including no contact with any co-defendant. All right, go ahead, step to left. Officers have your paperwork.
Damn, she's in disbelief.
Shallon
She's like,
Maston, please, and then Luis Hernandez.
I'm back, fella. Well, she had a bunch of
All right, ma'am,
drogas.
go ahead, say your name for the record.
Shallon Matson,
And Ms. Matson, what's your date of birth?
5/14/1986.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, and false reporting to law enforcement. Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on July 18th at 8:30 and July 22nd
Her
at
jawline
8:30
looks a bit
in the
weak.
downtown Maricopa County Superior
What happened
Court.
to her
I am
jaw?
setting a secured appearance bond in your case in the amount of $2,500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including no contact with any co-defendant. All right, go ahead.
Is there any
Step
She
possible
looks
way
like
to
a
get
bell
award?
pepper nose.
Huh?
Is there any possible way to get award? I do have young children at home. I'm in trouble. I work.
Oh, she's not a fighter. That jaw does not look like it would withstand any type of.
Ma'am, based upon
Action.
the alleged false reporting to the police, to law enforcement, as well as the amount of methamphetamines that the amount of methamphetamine that the Form 4 alleges was in the backpack with your name and the co-defendant's name on it. I am leaving that bond.
Her name? What did she have?
Go ahead,
Found,
step
returned
left.
to me?
Officers have your paperwork.
Did she have her address and
Luis
phone number on it
Hernandez,
too?
please.
Who does that? Who puts
And
their
then
name on a
after Mr.
backpack
Hernandez,
with
we're gonna go
a
to
bunch
Sage
of
Marshall.
methany, if you will?
Hi, Mr. Hernandez.
What are we, like in kindergarten now?
Luis Hernandez,
And Mr.
What up, Nikki?
Hernandez, what's your date of birth?
12/16/98.
Thank you. And you are here today because you were arrested yesterday on charges of burglary in the 3rd degree, unlawful entry, a Class 4 felony, and theft, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for both of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I'm setting 2 hearings in your
What up,
case.
Matthew?
The first on July 18th at 8:30, and the next one on July 22nd at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your case in the amount of $2,500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours because you are on probation. Go ahead, step to left.
So I'm not being
you're
released?
right.
You are not, sir. Faith Marshall, please.
Everybody looks disappointed that
And
they're not
Daniel
getting released.
Valdez.
Hey, what up, country girl? He's praying. Hey, what up, Brooke?
All right, Ms. Marshall, go ahead, say your name for the record.
What up, Ashley?
Faith Marshall,
All right, Ms. Marshall, what's your date of birth?
3/29/1990.
Thank you. And you are here today on two matters, and they are both warrants for your arrest on allegations that you violated your probations in your cases, CR 2024-129541 and CR 2025-102317. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings in both matters on July 21st at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Is that better,
In
Joe?
your 24 matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In your 25 matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Go ahead, step to left, officer has your paperwork. Daniel Valdez, please, and then Alyssa Ashmore.
What's the point of this, bro? It all depends. I mean, what you're getting out of it.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
This is for educational
Daniel
purposes
Valdez.
only.
And Mr. Valdez, what's your date of birth?
It is 10/28/97.
Thank you. And you are here today because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest
Yeah.
on allegations that you violated your probation.
And that's what's gonna keep me from getting arrested.
17-125-704. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting a hearing on July 21st at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. And I am reminding you, in the event you are to post that bond and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to left, officer.
Hey, what up, Lynn?
Thank you.
Alyssa Ashmore, please.
Hey, you know what? And like you said, this is public. I mean, the court is streaming this. What's the problem? What's the problem, my man?
All right, ma'am, you are, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Alyssa Ashmore,
And Ms. Ashmore, what's your date of birth?
12/30/92.
Thank you. And you are here today because we have an out-of-county warrant from Apache County.
What up, Cynthia?
I am finding, an attorney
I love the trolls.
should be appointed for you at your next hearing, which will be in the St. John's Justice Court on July 16th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
Pursuant to that arrest warrant, I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $1,500. All right, go ahead, step to left. Officers have your paperwork.
Next.
Gregory Sanchez and then Araya Linville.
Up next on The Price is Wrong. Hey, what's up from Melbourne? What's up, Joker? How's it going? This is just going to be full. It looks like it because they're not letting anybody go tonight.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Gregory Sanchez,
Ms. Sanchez, what's your date of birth?
325, 1978,
I'm sorry, it's 320 what?
325,
Okay.
1978.
All right.
Nah, they don't know we're watching it. Well, at least
Sir,
these individuals don't know
you are
we're
here because
watching
Maricopa
it.
County Superior Court has issued warrants for your arrest on allegations that you violated your probations in your
Flavor
cases CR
Flav.
2022-130244 and CR 2023-155507. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those matters, I am setting a hearing on July 21st at 8:30 in the
Brittany.
downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 22 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In your 23 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours, okay? Go ahead, step to left. Officers have your paperwork for you.
Hey,
Araya Linville, please.
this
and
is not
then
even real, man. This is AI generated.
Leah Moore.
AI generation has gotten really good in the last few years. So this is not
All
not
right,
even
Ms.
real.
Linville, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Array Leno, I was over 31st of 1991.
Thank you. And you are here today because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based on allegations that you violated your probation in CR 2016-145407. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting a hearing on July 21st
Thank
at
you,
8:30
Grace.
in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Go ahead, step to left. Officers have your paperwork.
Hey, what up, Carrie? How's it going? Yeah, she does look way. Hey, the street life will definitely mess you up, especially if you're hooked on
Talia
rugs.
Moore, please, and then Dustin Poole.
It'll definitely mess you up. Hey, thank you, Sue. Highly appreciate you.
Oh, yeah, just step behind that podium. That's perfect. All right, Ms. Moore, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Torley Moore,
And Ms. Moore, what's your date of birth?
10/14/96.
Thank you. And you are here today because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in CR 2016-103175. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on July 21st at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $900. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step left. Officers have your paperwork.
Nah, hey, you know what? I need them trolls. I need them trolls because
Dustin Poole, please.
them trolls
And
they
then
support.
Richard
They're dropping
Grigsby.
they're dropping comments in the chat. I need them. Do me one favor, just tap the screen so we can get some hearts too. You know, we're trying to get to 20,000 hearts, if you will. If you're gonna be here,
Mr. Poole, go ahead, state
just
your name for the
tap.
record.
Dustin Poole,
And Mr. Poole, what's your date of birth?
January 22nd, 1981.
Thank you. And you are here today on two matters. We're going to go ahead and talk about your new matter. First, you were arrested earlier today on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on July 18th at 8:30 and July 22nd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your new matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. Now, you are also here because you are currently on probation, in your case, CR 2025-102855. In that matter, in that matter, your new charges for which you were arrested earlier today would constitute an alleged Term 1 violation. In the probation violation matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on July 21st at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your probation matter in the amount of $500.
I'm not sure, Tony.
In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to left, officer, as you pay.
Hey, and if you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free
Richard
99.
Grigsby, please, and then Savannah Poole.
Hit that follow button, please, and por favor.
I'm okay. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Richard Grigsby, 12086.
Thank you. And you are here today because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter. Well, hold on.
What?
Issued warrants for your arrest in your matter, CR 2022-107278 and CR 2022-130797.
Did you guys hear our toilet flush?
Both of those matters, I'm not appointing an attorney for you today because if you're entitled to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You may, of course, always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings in both cases on July 22nd at 9:30 a.m. in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In both cases, I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $50. So $50 in your...
No, I can't get a job. I'm jobless.
$100 total. In the event you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, all right?
So I got bond?
You got a $100 bond, $100 cash bond.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I'm trying to get a job right now. I'm in
All right,
between
Savannah
jobs right
Poole,
now.
please.
As a matter of fact, I'm streaming in my mom's basement. I still live at home. If
All right,
you
Ms.
will.
Poole, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Savannah Poole,
And Ms. Poole, what's your date of birth?
10/24/93.
Thank you. And you were arrested earlier today on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting 2 hearings in your case. The first on July 28th at 8:30, the next one on July 31st at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those?
Hey, thank you.
Okay, based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you today to pretrial services. You will need to register with pretrial services. They will do things like remind you of your upcoming hearing dates, and they can get you bus passes if you need bus passes. You are subject to certain release conditions, including you may not have any contact with any co-defendant. Okay, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork for you. Mark Henriquez, please, and then Gary Youngberg.
Hey, you guys got to remember, some people are really lonely out there, so they really don't have anything to do but to, jump on social media and start, harassing people. But, hey, like I said, you're welcome here. Go ahead and feel free.
All right, sir,
feel
go
free to
ahead,
stick
take
around
me
as
to
long
the
as you want.
Mark Enriquez, date of birth 5/23/97.
Thank you. And you are here.
Everybody's coming in a tank talk tonight. Hey, I'm telling you, it's that heat. It's really hot out on the streets right now. I'm in Phoenix. Are you looking for a date?
Okay. You are here today because the... hold on just a second. Let me update this. Give me a...
The chat hasn't been this good in quite some time, so I do appreciate it. My ACA is 60.
I did not know that we need to...
Chat is popping today.
I did not notice it was an out-of-county justice court. All right, you are here today because the Casa Grande
Hello.
Justice Court issued a warrant for your arrest on misdemeanor, failure to appear in misdemeanor matters.
Who farted?
That appear to... Yes,
Not
sir.
me. Whoever smelled it.
Yes.
When I was in DLC
Yeah.
in 2023, when I got out killing my parole for 3 months, that's when they issued that warrant. So when I got out, I called the city court to Casa Grande, and then that's when they were like, in order to squash that warrant, just pay a $200 fine. But they issued that warrant when I was already in DLC.
Okay. So I think everything's going to work out.
Okay.
It is a warrant. It is a failure to appear, and it does involve charges from March of 2020 and November of 23. Well, I guess it goes back to assault and disorderly conduct charges from March of 2020.
Regina.
I'm going to set a hearing on July 16th at 8:30 in the Casa Grande Justice Court. Will you go to that?
Yes, I will.
Okay, I'm going to release, based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to
Hey, what
release
up,
you today
Kimberly?
on your own cognizance.
Okay.
You need to get it taken care of.
I will, because I've been good. I just got out of recovery, you know what I mean? So I graduated from recovery. I've been, catching up on everything. So
Okay, so this is part of the catching up on stuff
Yeah.
because you don't want to get arrested and have to come back here, because I think the goal of recovery is to stay out of places like this one, right?
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Tommy.
Go to your hearings. Go ahead, step to the left.
So if you like watching these, I run these on my YT channel at Collect Call From. I run these daily, throughout the day, all day, different courts throughout the country. So just check us out at Collect Call From on
Gary
YT.
Youngberg, please. And then Jennifer Salea.
So in Maricopa County, they have 7 courts a
Good
day,
evening, sir.
and I stream all of them on a daily basis. YT calls, press
All right,
5.
sir, you are, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Pardon me?
Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Gary Youngberg,
And Mr. Youngberg, what's your date of birth?
9/14/54.
And it's 9/14?
Yes.
All right, you are here this evening because the Santan Justice Court issued a warrant for
my
your...
battery died.
Can you hear me okay?
Pardon me?
Can you hear me okay?
I can't really hear you.
Okay. We have headphones
Hello.
that can help with that.
Okay.
My battery ran out. You didn't shut down my account. My battery, I forgot to charge it. This guy.
I can hear you out there, but not in here.
We just want you to be able to hear.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. Also, if you go to my profile, and you can check out all my other social media links. They're on my profile.
All right, sir. Is that better?
What up, Renee?
Okay, you are here this evening because the Santan Justice Court issued a warrant for
Santan?
your arrest on charges of on charges stemming from on or about August 4th, 2024. Those are misdemeanor DUI with a BAC of .08 or more, extreme DUI, BAC of .15 to .2, and extreme DUI, BAC of .2 or more. Those are all misdemeanor charges. An attorney should be appointed for you at your next hearing, which will be on July 29th at 9 a.m. in the Santan Justice Court. Will you go to that?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor. May I please make a brief statement of fact?
Yeah, make a statement.
Okay. Sir, I'm going to remind you, you do have the right to remain silent, and so far, I'm inclined to release you on your own recognizance based upon your promise to appear.
Okay, yeah, I promise to appear, Your Honor.
Okay, then I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. Officers will have your paperwork for you. Step to the left.
All right, thank you very much.
Damn, she stopped that from
Jennifer Stella,
talking.
please, and then Jesse Hart.
Extreme DUI. He needs 4 flushes. He needs quadruple flushes, if you will. Oh, my back. My back.
All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jennifer Salea. That's okay. Nobody gets it right.
All right.
Extreme DUI?
All right, Ms. Salea, what is your date of birth?
August 20th, 1971.
Thank you. And you are here this evening based upon a warrant out of the Desert Ridge Justice Court for your failure to appear in their matter involving a April 8th of 2023 violation of water
I'm reading at the comment, that's why I'm laughing.
traffic direction. All right. Because of the nature of the charges, you are not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you here today. However, you may, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on July 28th at 1:30 p.m. in the Desert Ridge Justice Court. Will you go to that?
I will. I went to the first one. I wasn't on the docket.
Okay.
So I went home, and now I'm here. So I'm a little surprised by all this today.
Go to this one.
Thank you.
No, okay. I'm going to stand there until somebody talks to me, for sure.
Go to that one, get it taken care of. Go ahead, step left. Officers will have
Do
you.
I have a bond or?
No, based upon your promise to appear, I'm releasing you on your own recognizance.
Thank you.
Okay. Jesse Hart, please, and then Julio Duran.
Hi, Your Honor.
Hello, sir. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jesse Hart, and 10/10/1975.
Thank you. And you are here today because the
I might have to have 2 drinks after I'm done with this stream.
Court issued a warrant for your arrest. This is an initial arrest warrant, and this warrant alleges that on or about December 29th of 2023, you committed the offense of DUI, a Class 1 misdemeanor. There's 2 counts of that.
Oh, wow.
For purposes of appointing you an attorney, I am finding that you are not indigent, so I am not appointing an attorney for you today. You may, of course, retain an attorney at your
Hey,
own
Regina,
expense
thank you
to
for
represent
subscribing.
you. I am setting a hearing on July 30th at 10:30 a.m.
I will show up.
Okay, in the Agua Fria Justice Court, will you promise to appear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to go ahead and release you today on your own recognizance.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead, step left. Officers have your paperwork. Julio Duran, please, and then Michael Stuffler.
Michael Stuffer. Hopefully we don't have a translator right now. Damn.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you.
Do we have an interpreter? Interpreter, this is Commissioner Campbell. Do we have you?
I'm here. Hello. Good evening.
Hello, okay. Let's go ahead and start. Mr. Duran, can you please state your name for the record?
Hey, what up, Julia?
Julio.
Wait,
What up,
gotta
Tita?
wait for the interpreter.
Tita.
¿Qué tal, señor? ¿Me puede decir, por favor, su nombre completo? Esto es para el registro.
Can you tell me your name?
Julio Carrasco Durán. 14 de enero del 88.
January 14, 1988.
And Mr. Duran, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on a direct complaint matter.
¿Qué tal, señor Durán? Bueno, aquí usted está en esta tarde
Kelsey.
aquí en el Condado Superior, en la Corte Superior de Maricopa. Esto es debido a un arresto y a una queja.
Joe.
Okay.
That direct complaint alleges that
Mo,
on or
thank you.
about August 30th, 2024, you committed the offense of shoplifting, a Class 5 felony.
Damn. Shoplifting. How dare he? It's James. It's James. James, if you will.
Sorry, disculpe, soy el intérprete, les estaba viendo el audio, espero que me esté escuchando. Voy a repetir.
Sí.
En este caso, la queja
What up, Kerry?
principal del dueño pasó el 30 de agosto de 2024, en el cual usted cometió la ofensa, en este caso criminal, que se
Nana, thank you.
se deriva en la clase 5.
Ajá.
I am appointing you an attorney.
These comments.
Le voy a designar un abogado.
It's normally not this lit.
Okay.
It's kind of
and I'm
boring
setting
sometimes.
2 hearings in your matter.
Let's go to the casino
en este
tonight.
caso,
Shit, I wish I could.
¿Sí me puede escuchar?
Sí.
The first on July 18th. The first on July 18th at 8:30, and the second one on July 22nd at 8:30.
It's normally not like this.
En este caso, soy el intérprete, voy a repetir de nuevo porque estaba cortando el audio. En este caso, le estoy poniendo un abogado para audiencias, en este caso, en su caso. La primera será
Okay.
el 30 y la segunda será julio 22 a las 8:30.
Oh, okay.
Both of those hearings are in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
En este caso, ambas citas serán audiencias en la Corte Superior del Condado.
Okay.
I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $1,000.
En este caso, le voy a poner una fianza por aparición.
Thank you, Nana.
En su caso, por un total de $1,000.
Está bien, ¿puedo hablar o no?
Oh, can I talk or not? Hey,
Can I say something?
he ain't going nowhere.
Yes, but
He's
I
getting
am
too
going
much
to
attention
remind
over
you
here.
You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say could be used against you.
Okay, nomás quería saber si pagando
I just-
la fianza puedo
I just wanna know-
salir o tengo que quedarme aquí.
If I pay the bill, can I get out?
Caballero, soy el intérprete. Déjenme dar en este caso el mensaje y ahorita.
Diapers, thank you for the follow.
En este caso,
Ok, está bien.
es que usted tiene el derecho de, sí puede, pero usted tiene el derecho de permanecer en silencio. Recuerde que todo lo que diga puede ser usado en su contra.
Ok, está bien. Así déjelo nomás. Entonces pago la fianza y me puedo retirar o no.
Can I just pay the bill and get out?
Okay, and in this case, if I pay the bond, will I be able to get out?
Yes, sir.
Ok, está bien. Gracias. Que pase buena noche, le dice a la juez.
Have a good night, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great night.
All right, thank you, Mr. Interpreter.
Right, Joe?
Anything else I can-
Make that make sense.
That was our only Spanish language interpretation requirement for this evening. Thank you so much.
Anytime, miss. I hope you have an awesome night and great coming week. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. All right, Michael Stuffler, please.
Michael Stuffler. Come on down to The Price is Wrong.
All right, Mr. Stuffler, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Oh, he's
Michael
a
Stuffler,
Mr. Stuffler, what's your date of birth?
May 6, 1987.
extradition hearing.
Thank you. All right, so you are here on 2 matters. That is for your California matter. We're gonna go ahead and do Arizona first. Your first matter we're going to talk about is your matter out of Navajo County.
Billy, thank you for the follow.
Did you state your date of birth?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so Navajo County has issued a warrant for your arrest on allegations that you violated your probation
Renee.
up in Navajo County. An attorney should be appointed for you at your next hearing, which will be on July 16th at 8:30 in Navajo County Superior Court. Pursuant to that arrest warrant out of Navajo County, I am holding you non-bondable on that probation violation matter, okay? Now, you are also here because California issued a warrant for your arrest.
Oh, they're going to pick this fool up.
So with regard to that, I have a form to read. All right.
This was a few months ago.
As I mentioned, a warrant for your arrest has been issued by the state of California. That state wants you back on this warrant. Before court, you were given some paperwork to review on a big white laminated card. Did you read that paperwork?
Yes.
Okay. As I stated, you have a warrant from the state of California. You have a choice to make at this time. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing and be sent back to the requesting state within 30 days, or you can demand an extradition hearing and that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both California and Arizona before you are sent back to the state of California. If you choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing, you would be held non-bondable in Maricopa County Jail for a period of up to 30 days to allow time for the requesting state to come for you. That 30 days would start tomorrow as long as you do not have any criminal charges pending against you anywhere in Arizona. If you do have criminal charges pending against you in Arizona, the 30-day period would not start until those charges are resolved. If you choose to have an extradition hearing, I will set your hearing for July 21st at 1:30 p.m. I cannot appoint an attorney to represent you in extradition because extradition matters are civil in nature, but you would have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense if you choose. You are entitled to bail, which in this case would be a $75,000 secured appearance bond. If you are unable to pay post bail, you would be held in custody during that time or until another judge modifies your bail. A governor's warrant signed by the governors of both states, California and Arizona, is required to extradite you to California. That process could take up to 90 days. So I need you to let me know if you want to waive your right to an extradition hearing.
Yes, I want to waive my rights.
Okay. And that you want to do that even in view of your pending probation violation matter?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now I have some additional. All right. I understand at this time you do want to sign the waiver of extradition. I need to ask you some questions as I am making a record of this proceeding. Did you read the waiver of extradition paperwork?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that you do not have to sign the paperwork?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to an extradition hearing?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to demand that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states before you are returned?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to bail?
Yes.
Do you want to give up those rights and sign the paperwork?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to sign the paperwork?
No.
Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication within the last 24 hours?
No.
I find that you knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily are signing the waiver, and I am signing it also. I am directing the sheriff's office to notify the requesting state that you are ready to return. The requesting state will have 30 days from tomorrow to pick you up unless there are local charges pending. If there are, and as we talked about the ones, your probation violation matter. If there are local charges pending, the 30 days will not start until the conclusion of that case. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right.
It's next to the video that says let me see what did he did what to on.
Hold on just a second.
Look for a video that says kittens on the bottom. If it says kittens, it's gonna be the video next to the left.
All right.
I was looking for the video where the judge was calling me, where she was like, Mr. James, Mr. James. Hey, what up, 575? My boy. Hey, what up, Isabel? It's quite a ways down. Oh, look, if you find this video with the Denny's on it, there's a video that has a Denny's logo. It's going to be the video right under that one. Find the video with the Denny's logo on it. This one, I have a white Dodgers hat. And right under that one, that's the video she was talking about. The one for Dade County. If you find that one, you're on the right track. Hey, thank you for the follow. If you haven't done so, please hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you anything. I don't ask for any gifts, but what I do ask for is comments, tapping for hearts, and sharing. You know what they say? Sharing is caring, if you will. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you for that follow right there. She called you Mr. James. Yo, she did. Hey, what up? How's it going, D? Hey, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you guys. And bail money too. You're welcome. That's right. Hey, thank you for subscribing, Tommy. Highly appreciate you. Hey, thank you, Isabel. You got the best lives. That was funny. It made my court today. If you will, Victor. Just watch that video. That was awesome. There's been a few other times, too, that they've called me before, but I haven't clipped those videos.
All right, we have one house call this evening. Our house call is Natasha Strong. Ms. Strong's date of birth is September 28th, 1988. And why is Ms. Strong not able to be with us this evening?
Yeah, I'm not going to bring you as my co-host. Are you lost your mind?
Because Ms. Strong is unable to function for purposes of appearing with us in court this evening. Ms. Strong was arrested on
I do a few different ones.
Arrest warrant out of El Centro Justice Court for failure to appear in her matter involving criminal trespass and obstruction, refusing to give her true name, which offense occurred on or about February 9th of 2025. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this. My intention is to set a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $250.
Yeah, I couldn't make it in jail. That's why I never went.
As a result, I am appointing Ms. Strong an attorney for purposes of the bond issue only. I am setting a hearing on July 16th at 8:30 in the El Centro Justice Court. If anything changes after I talk to Ms. Strong in jail, I will update my written order. Did you give him the updated one for Ms. Strong? Okay. With that, we are going to stand adjourned from the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar, and we will reconvene at 11. We are off the record.
Next one's going to be at 11 p.m. It's going to be in about 2 hours. For those of you guys that do like to watch these type of streams, I run these streams all the time on a daily basis. If you go check on my other account, at Collect Call Form right there, I'm sure all of you guys remember or should know that red icon right there with the white triangle. If you go there, I run these daily. I'm not always commenting on them, but I do run them daily religiously over there. So if you like watching courts, there's a few different states that I do. I do Pima County in Arizona. I do Maricopa County and also in Arizona. I also do Miami-Dade, which is Miami. And sometimes I'll jump on over to different states or different counties, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and take a break. Hey, I do appreciate you guys. I am Collect Call James. I will be back, at 11 p.m. So I'll be back in 2 hours. I'm going to take a little break right now. I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, I'm out. A rato. And I appreciate you guys, especially the haters. Hey, keep on coming back. We need to get the numbers up because my numbers have been really down lately. So I'm definitely messing up. But I know that now that trolls are coming in and haters are coming in, I'm definitely on the right track. So you're definitely going to help me blow up, if you will. You know, I'm trying to get everything I could get around here. All right. So with that being said, I'm out. A rato. Hey, I'll see you guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Hey, Tonka and Johnny, I highly appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys back at 11. All right. Have a good one.